Hi there, people here from Fxbillionaire Hub. Today I'm gonna show you our VIP members or VIP clients review in 2021. Today's day is 29th January, and let me open my Telegram channel. This is our free Telegram channel. Here you can find a lot of signals and every pair analysis and our client review and which trades are in profit, which trades are in loss, blah blah blah. Everything you will find there. Here you can see just NZD USD signal. We just made 30 pips from the signal and the trades running now. First of all, I want to show you our on of client review from there. Here you can see January 28 and he was saying, hello sir, hopefully you are well, thank you for helping us navigate the FX market. I have figured out how to trade your signal. Then he making lot of money from our signal. Here you can see good day and just saying Eurocard sell is still bailed. We just updated it. Then he was saying us our signal pretty good, and there you can see lot of profit he was made it today. Just lot of profit. We are motivated him, just make with us, just make profit with us. And then I want to show you another client review. There you can see January 29 and here you can see January 27, and there he was made thanks a lot of for that trade, and just 80 pips to from our VIP signal he cashed it. So yeah, he was did 100 plus pips from yesterday and today, January 29. Just he was saying he can invest blindly with us. So he was made today 114 pips. We provided today 400 plus pips just in our VIP, but he took one or two signal from us. There you can see AUD USD sell just in profit. So you can find in our channel or in our VIP lot of analysis and a lot of profit. If you want to join, feel free to knock us or inbox us, or if you're seeing this from YouTube, you can find our Telegram channel link from the description box. You can join us anytime. We just providing all signal with analysis, and we just providing for our VIP paid signals, paid strategy, paid ebooks, all are free for our VIP. So hope you understand all things. Have a nice day.